Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making a tiered jewelry or candle holder using these mirrors that I got from the Dollarama and the Dollar Tree. I will also be using this epoxy glue. This is my E6000 dupe. I got it for $1.50 at the Dollarama. I got these lovely chandelier gems. Could be used as earrings. These are pretty. So I got these. I will be using these as well, along with these. Okay. These rings. I think they're wedding decorations. So I got them at the Dollarama. I have this dowel that I will be cutting into 3 pieces. I also got this at the Dollarama. Yeah, I think I did. So, of course, glue gun and glue sticks, and some fresh gems. So, let's get into the video, you guys. Here's the finished product. Here's the finished product, you guys. It is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Would have been nice if I painted this in silver because I didn't know that I would have enough of these rings. But it still looks good. And yeah, this is my storage box, you guys. This is my stash of chocolates. I love it. I also got this from the Dollarama. This is really, really pretty. I got it for $4. This is like real glass. It's really nice. I got a couple of these because I needed them on my entrance table as well for my candles. So yeah, this is finished product. It is really, really, really pretty. Thanks guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment down below. Tell me if you guys want to see the Dollarama haul, because I've been going to the Dollarama so much lately that I got a couple of stuff and I'm moving. So this is the reason why I'm going as well, because I always find some good stuff at the Dollarama. So let me know.